Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Scarlet Lady. Now this is one of their unique solo insider cabins. It's for just one passenger. I'll show you in just a second, but make sure when you're ready to book your next Virgin Voyage, you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group, and get it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now this is a cabin designed for one person. You can see you've got the closet right here, plenty of space, and then you've got a little bit of storage up above. This does pull shut. You've got your do not disturb and makeup room right here, and then you've got your light switches to the right. Now you've got the closet here, storage up and down, you've got your hair dryer, safe big enough for a laptop and personal belongings, and then more storage up and down. Now tucked just down here, you're gonna find your mini fridge. You're gonna have your still and sparkling water there. They'll replenish it as often as you like throughout your stay. Now this is a vanity, writing desk combo. You've got an ottoman that'll pull out where you can sit and you can actually get ready right here. You're gonna have your flat panel TV right there, but I wanted to point out that this tablet will actually control the lighting. You can set the mood, and of course you can pick from their large collection, and you can also stream right on the television. So you've got your bed right here in the corner. You can see that beautiful mega yacht style design that they've got here. It is bigger than a twin size bed. It's closer to a full, and then once again for one person, and you've got the TV right at the foot of the bed. Now just around the side here, you're gonna have a floor to ceiling mirror, and then let me take you into the bathroom. So you've got the toilet tucked just to the left. You're gonna have your vanity right here, a little bit of storage underneath, backlit mirror, and then right here, I'm gonna take you into the shower. Now I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I've got enough room to move around. The rainforest shower head right there, it actually just touches the top of my head. Once again, I'm a big guy, you probably won't have any problems at all. And then you've got all of your bath amenities right here to the right. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, when you're ready to book your next Virgin Voyage, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group. You can get it at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.